Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the battery can support a power cycle. Plug the USB-C cable in for a brief top-up if needed. Next, locate the single power button on the right ear cup and clear any protective case or tag that might obscure it. Once done, position the headphones comfortably so you can press and hold the button firmly. This is the one physical control that initiates the power sequence and the only direct way to turn the unit on. With the button accessible, press and hold it for a steady 2 to 4 seconds. You should see the LED indicator blink or change color. You'll also hear an audible tone or a voice prompt saying the headset is powering on. That confirms success. If you intend to pair immediately, continue holding briefly until the pairing voice or flashing pattern appears. This ensures you complete the on-to-pair transition rather than powering on in standby mode. Release the button as soon as you get the LED and tone confirmation. Put the headphones on and adjust to test audio output. If nothing happens, connect to power for a longer charge, 15 to 20 minutes, and then repeat the press and hold step, because deeply discharged batteries need time. If the problem persists, swap the USB-C cable and power source and check the port for lint. These quick checks solve most failures before you consider service or support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.